Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and traders. Welcome back to my channel Stock Daddy 41. This is Ali Abbas, and today we will get to the trades immediately. We had a gap up opening somewhere along the selling line. There was a rejection on the 5-minute time frame, and then it just broke the lows of the opening candle. However, it bounced back very strongly from the closing area over here, which was expected because if the lows are not taken out and if there's rejection, there is a chance of it to bounce back. So either it breaks above or it breaks below, and that is the trend. So here we found the trend to go upwards, and at 9:20 VWAP was at 51,500. So we monitored the 51,500 call and put option throughout the day. Even at 12 o'clock, I did not change any of the strikes. So 15,500, the indicator did not give a buy or a sell signal today, though there was up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, a lot of ups and downs and a lot of trapping on the call side. On the put side, we got two trades today. Let me just take you through them. In the opening hour, there was nothing. It just went up and then it came sliding down slowly. At 12:25, we got a buy signal. The level was 333. First target achieved at 360, second target achieved at 387. After that, it came back and hit our trailing stop loss at cost over here. The stop loss was at 280, and once the second target is achieved, I eliminate all the risk and I keep this profit in my pocket. If there is a trending line, then I start booking more profits, but this came back, so I shifted the stop loss here. After that, on the same strike at 145, we got a buy option over here. See, the bottom buying is brilliant. We got an entry over here at 280, and the first target 302, second target 324, achieved very quickly. In fact, it was achieved in the second candle itself. From there, it started floating and then it came back down. The stop loss was shifted from 235 to 280, that is the cost, and it came and hit over here at 215. Sorry. So the trailing stop loss was our last trade over here after 2 o'clock. I just didn't feel it to hold and wait for a breakup, or because I could have been taken out over here also, and that would have converted into a break even or even a small loss. So that is that. I'll take you through the Excel sheet right now and see our tally of points till date. So here we are on our record of the trades. So if you actually notice, we've done from the 3rd of January, sorry, the 3rd of June, we have done 21 trades. All in all, we are at 2,296 points, including today's. So as per the record over here, and if you also go and see my videos, the levels are shown, the trades are also shown, what the levels that I bought, the level that I risked, the level that I took profit at, and everything is recorded here as per the calls, and we are in an overall profit. So I'm not saying that this is a 100% profit strategy. There are stop losses that got hit. Out of 21 trades, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6, so 21 divided by 6 if we take out, so that is a success rate of 72%. So 72% is the success rate of the strategy. I hope the future also holds the same percentage. With that, we will have to wait and see. So nonetheless, the trades today, 12.25 we bought at 333, 360 was the first target hit, 387 booked one more lot, and then it came back to cost and knocked us out. So overall 81 points gathered there. And the second trade was at 145. We bought at 280, sold one lot at 302 and second lot at 324, and trailed the stop loss to cost, eliminating the risk. So 81 and 66 points. So that gave us 147 points today, and the total now stands at 2296. Now we have 6 trading sessions left, and I am pretty confident I will crack the 2500 mark. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you'd like to subscribe to this indicator, it is on an invite only basis. You can email me on stockdaddy41@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the description. Thank you so much.